So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video, we have here these 5 questions to answer on the topic electromagnetic field. So this video will be about the Lenz law. So guys, ensure to stay till the end of this video as this is a very important one. So let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, the induced current in a coil always flows in a direction so as to oppose the charge that causes it. This statement is known as A. Faraday's law, B. Lenz's law, C. Coulomb's law, D. Ampere's law. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here, and that's the Lenz's law. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So that's question number 2 here. It says, Lenz's law of electromagnetic induction states that A. The induced current is a conductor in such a direction as to oppose the change producing it. B. A force exerted on a current carrying conductor in a magnetic field. C. EMF is induced in the circuit whenever there is a change in the magnitude of the flux linked with the circuit. D. The magnitude of the induced EMF in a circuit is proportional to the rate of change of the number of lines of force linking the circuit. So guys, the answer to this question obviously is option A here. The Lenz law of electromagnetic induction states that the induced current in a conductor is in such a direction as to oppose the change producing it. And that's it for this question. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So that's question number 3 here. It says, Lenz's law of electromagnetic induction states that. Alright, so guys, we've answered this question before now, and over here, that's option D. The induced current in a conductor is in such a direction as to oppose the change producing it. And that's it for this question. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So that's question 4 here. It says, so guys, this is still the same question. Lenz's law of electromagnetic induction states that. So guys, here, I think that's option B here. The induced current in a coil is in such a direction that it sets up a magnetic field which opposes the change producing it. So that's option B here. So in whatever way you are asked this question, just understand it and be able to provide the answer to the question. It's a very simple question, and you've seen it multiple times in this very video, so which means there is high potential of seeing this in your exam. So guys, take note of this, and let's go ahead and consider the next and last question. So that's question number 5 here. It says, Lenz's law of electromagnetic induction is essentially a statement of the A. Law of conservation of energy, B. Inverse square law of magnetism, C. Inverse square law of gravitation, D. Inverse square law of electrostatics. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, law of conservation of energy, and that's it for this question. So guys, this is where we'll end this video for today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below, and we'll ensure to give you a response. So guys, finally, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community. So you can join the channel community by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video, and see you on the next one.